Here's the app called Truthseek AI People Search. So here's the app. Find anyone you're interested in with AI. Smarter deep search with AI. Explore different angles. Find what matters. Get social insights instantly. Explore visual media easily. So sometimes if you just wanna, find out something about that person, what is online, either job related or like maybe like social media related. You can use it. There is social media profile lookup, cross-platform search, background insights, reconnect with friends, trending searches, fast and simple AI-powered discovery for precise and reliable results. There is another app for that. It's called DeepSeek. These are kind of the apps which are getting popular, and they are not yet perfect. So don't expect that you can find all the information you really want. No, this is more like ads. So here you just have it. So here you can see subscriptions. There is lifetime one, yearly, monthly, weekly, $10, and then enter full name to search. So here you can just see all of the details. Search any information, relationship, dating, life, bread. So let's what is advanced search? First name, last name, location, date of birth, professional background, and what you want to search. So you can also do that. But now you can then just see. Obviously, if you're looking celebrities, then it will find much more. But here, so then you can also see, if you do not upgrade for the first time, you still get this offer, which is kind of a bit cheaper, $40 per year. There's monthly, weekly doesn't change, but this is the offer. And then there is also another offer where you have another discount for yearly. So you have three kind of discounts if you cancel, if you want to upgrade for yearly. So that's just what you have. And that's the idea. You can just find that. And they don't have any promo codes or referral codes. Otherwise, I would share it with you. But yeah, that's the app basically. So try it out.